Hello, Glenn. Hello. Good evening, Glenn, and welcome again to our class for today. So, how are you today? How are
Good.
you? Oh, are you sick?
Yes.
Oh no, why? Really? Oh, but is it okay to? Can you study today? Can you study today?
Hôm nay bạn có thể học không?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, wow, that's so good to learn that even if you're sick, you can still study. Wow. Okay, so let's start our new lesson for today, Tom. Tom, Kian, because I think Tom is also sick. That is why he cannot attend the class today. So since you are here, so we will start our new lesson for today, which is all about. Let's read the title of our lesson. Let's say the senses.
Senses.
Okay, again, senses. Senses.
Senses.
Okay, very good. So Ken, when we say senses, senses are the ways our body helps us know and understand the world around us.
Các giác quan
Body.
là cách cơ thể giúp chúng ta nhận biết và hiểu về thế giới xung quanh.
Okay, so this is how we know. This is how we are able to know the things around us. For example, we have what body part is this, Ken? Hmm? What body part is this?
Đây là bộ phận nào của cơ thể?
Eye.
Very good. Eyes. So eyes is one of the body parts that we have. So the senses that we have, or the sense that we have in our eyes, is sense of sight. So we can see. We can see through our eyes. So senses, it's like a superpowers. They let us see, let us hear, let us smell, let us taste, and let us touch things. Okay, so that is the things that we will learn today. So let's check. Let's go first. Okay, so I think we had watched this video last time, but
Tổ
we
tiên
will
tê. Tổ tiên tê đồng người chẳng ngủ.
but we
Người
will
nhà
watch the
không ngủ.
video again. Okay. So let's watch a video to have a review. Okay.
Hello, everybody! This is Julie. What can she feel? She can feel the snow.
Snow.
She's cold.
She's cold.
But is she happy? Yes, she is. She likes the snow.
She likes the snow.
This is John. He has a hat. What can he hear? He can hear music. Is he sad?
No.
No, he's happy. He likes music. This is Sam. He's hungry. But what can he see? He can see
a
cake. Is he happy? Yes, he is. He can taste the cake. Look at the children. Are they thirsty? Yes, they are. But what can they see? They can see milk. Look at the boys and girls. What can they smell? They
They
can
can
smell
smell
plants and
plants,
flowers.
flowers.
It's fun in the garden. Now look at the boys and girls. Are they tired? Yes, they are. It's nap time.
Okay, Ken. So that is our video about the senses. So again, Ken, when we say senses, it is our superpower to see, to hear, to smell, to taste, or to touch things. So that is senses. Okay, so now let's learn more about the senses that we have. So let's first listen to the senses that we have.
Page 10, Lesson 4. The senses.
Senses.
Listen, point, and say. 1,
See,
See,
2,
hear,
3,
smell,
4,
taste,
5,
touch.
Okay, so these are our senses, Kian. So again, let's read the senses that we have. We have first see. Let's say see. Very good. Hear,
Hear,
smell,
smell,
taste.
taste,
Okay, again, taste.
taste,
Okay, one more time. Taste, taste, not
taste,
taste. Okay, very good. Nice. Good job. So those are, and one last time, touch. Let's see,
chop,
touch.
chop,
Okay, one more time. Touch.
the, touch.
Very good. Nice. So those are the senses that we have. So now let's learn more about of the senses that we have. So let's go first with our first senses or first sense. What is this?
See,
See. Very good. This is see. So when we say see, so we use our eyes to look. We use our eyes to look.
Hãy dùng mắt để nhìn.
Okay, like for example, this girl. Yes, like for example, this girl. What can she see? What can she see?
Cô ấy có thể nhìn thấy gì?
What can she see? What animal? What animal?
bird,
Very good. She can see a bird. Very good. So yes, very good. We use our eyes to see. So again, Kian, what body part do we use to see?
Chúng ta dùng bộ phận nào của cơ thể để nhìn?
What body part?
eye,
Very good. So it's our eyes. Very good. So next, let's move on to our second sense. What is it? What's that?
hear,
Very good. Hear. So when we say hear, so we use our ears to listen to sounds.
Hãy dùng tai để nghe âm thanh.
Okay, we use our ears to listen to sounds. We listen to music. Okay, like for example, in the picture, what can he hear, Kian?
Anh ấy có thể nghe thấy gì?
What can he hear?
Sing.
Yes, sing or music. We say music.
Music.
Okay, so he can, let's say, he can
He can.
hear,
He can.
he can hear music,
He can hear
music.
music.
Okay, again, he
He
can
can
hear music.
hear music.
Okay, very good. So the body part that we use to hear is our ear. Ear, ear, ear. Ear, ear, ear. So again, Ken, what body part do we use to hear?
Chúng ta
Ear.
dùng bộ phận nào của cơ thể để nghe?
Ear. Ear.
Okay, very good. We use our ears to hear. So again, so let's review. What's the first sense or senses that we had learned? What's the first senses that we had learned?
Giác quan đầu tiên mà chúng ta học được là gì?
Sing.
No, sing. What's the first? It's see. Again, see.
See.
Second is hear.
Hear.
Okay, again, what is this, Ken?
Eye.
This one. What is teacher doing? See. How about this?
Hear.
Okay, very good. So here. So next, let's move on to our third senses. So what's our next senses is? What's that? The the third one is?
Name.
Okay, one more time. Let's see. Smell.
Smell.
Okay, again, what is our third senses? It's
No.
very good. It's nose. We use our nose to smell. So again, let's say smell.
Smell.
Okay, very good. So when we say smell, so we use our nose to know others.
Hãy dùng mũi để nhận biết các mùi.
Okay, so like this girl. What can she smell?
Cô ấy ngửi thấy gì?
What's this?
Flower.
Very good. So let's say she can
She can
smell
smell
flower.
flower.
Okay, again, she can smell flowers.
She can smell flower.
Okay, very good. So like this in the picture, she is or it is smelling flowers. So again, Ken, what body part we use or do we use to smell?
Chúng ta dùng bộ phận nào của cơ thể để ngửi?
No.
Okay, we use the nose. Very good. And again, let's review the three senses. What is this? What sense is this? What is it?
See.
See. Next is
Hear.
hear. How about this?
Smell.
Okay, very good. Again, let's say smell, not smell. Smell.
Smell.
Very good. So that's it. Okay, let's move on to our next sense. Okay, the fourth sense. What is it? Oh, okay. This one is, what sense is this? What sense is this, Kian? It's the We call it as taste. Let's say taste. Taste. Okay, again. Taste.
Taste.
Taste. Taste. Taste.
Taste.
Okay, very good. So when we say taste, we use our tongue to know flavors. So again, when we say taste, we use our tongue to know flavors.
Hãy dùng lưỡi để cảm nhận hương vị.
Okay. So again, so we use our tongue. Okay, so let's take a look at the picture. What can he taste? What can he
Anh
taste?
ấy có thể nếm được vị gì?
What is this?
Apple.
Very good. So now let's see. He can,
I can.
he can, he can,
I can.
this one, he, not I, he, he, he,
Hi.
not I, he, he. Yes, very good. He can taste
He can taste
apple.
apple.
Okay, very good. So he can taste apple. So again, what body part do we use to taste here?
Chúng ta dùng bộ phận nào của cơ thể để nếm?
What body part?
Nose.
It's nose. We use nose to taste? No, this one is for smell. How about this one? What's this?
Chest.
Okay, one more time. Let's say tongue.
Thumb. Thumb.
Okay, one more time. Tongue. Tongue.
Tongue.
Okay, very good. Not thumb. Tongue.
Tongue.
Okay, very good. So good job. So that is, again, what body part do we use to taste?
Chúng ta dùng bộ phận nào của cơ thể để nếm?
What body part?
Yes.
Yes. What body part?
Yes.
Okay, again, let's see. Tongue.
Tongue.
Very good. Again, what body part do we use to taste?
Chúng ta dùng bộ phận nào của cơ thể để nếm?
Tongue.
Okay, very good. Wow, good job. So again, let's review the four senses. Excuse me. So let's review the four senses. Again, what is this? What's the first sense?
See.
See. How about this? What sense is this?
Hear.
Hear. How about this? What's this?
Smell.
Smell. Very good. How about this one?
Yes.
Okay, again, let's say taste.
Teeth.
Taste, not tease.
Taste.
Very good. Very good. So those are the four senses that we have. And next, we have another senses. Let's move on. What sense is that? Okay, what is this? It's, let's say, touch. Again, let's say touch. Touch.
Chop.
Okay, very good. So when we say touch, Kian, so we use our hands. We use our hands to feel things. So again, when we say touch, we use our hands to feel things.
Hãy dùng tay để cảm nhận mọi vật.
Okay, so that is touch. Okay, so now let's take Let's take a look at the picture. What can she touch?
Cô ấy có thể chạm vào cái gì?
What can she touch?
Cô ấy có thể chạm vào cái gì?
What is it?
Elephant.
Very good. She can touch. Let's say she can touch.
She can touch.
Okay, one more time. Touch.
Touch.
Touch. Touch.
Touch. Touch. Touch. Touch.
Very good. Now let's say she can touch. She can
Can touch.
elephant.
Elephant.
Again, she can touch elephant.
She can touch elephant.
Okay, again, touch, not touch. Touch.
Touch.
Very good. So she can touch elephant.
She can touch elephant.
Okay, very good. So again, what body part do we use to touch?
Chúng ta dùng bộ phận nào của cơ thể để chạm?
What body part?
Hand.
Okay, so we use our hands to touch. Very good. So again, let's review the senses that we had learned today. Let's go first with, what's this? What's our first sense? What's our first sense? Yeah. See. Next is
Here.
hear. How about this one?
Smell.
Smell. This one? What's this? What sense? Again, let's say taste. Taste. Not taste. Taste.
Taste.
Very good. How about this? What sense is this?
Touch.
Okay, very good. Good job. So those are our 5 senses. See, hear, smell, taste, and touch. Okay, very good. So now, let's learn more about, or let's learn a new sentence structure. Okay, so let's go first with this one. Let's listen.
Page 10. C. Ask and answer. Then practice.
What can he see?
He can see a bird.
What can she see?
She can see a bird.
A ball. A bird. A car. A dog. A dog.
Okay, so let's first read this one. Let's read, what can she see? Okay, let's read it slowly. What can, let's read. What can, hello Ken, are you there? Let's read the sentence. What can, hello, are you still there? Okay, let's say, what can, okay, again, what can she see? Okay, again, let's read the sentence. What can she see? Hello? Hello, Ken, are you still there? Hello? Okay, let's say, what can she see? What can she see? She can see a
Can she see?
bird. What?
What can you see?
Okay, again.
What you see?
Okay, very good. Again, what can
See, see,
she see?
see, see,
What can she?
see,
She
see,
see.
see,
She.
Okay, again, she see.
Trật tự. Con
What can she see?
đúng rồi.
See. One more time. See. See.
See.
Very good. She see.
See.
Very good. So what can she see?
What can she see?
What can she see?
See. Very good. Nice. So let's take a look. Let's take a look at the picture. What animal is this? What animal is this?
Đây là con vật gì?
Bird.
Bird.
It's a bird. So now, so we can answer the question. She
Cô ấy nhìn thấy con gì thì sẽ trả lời cô ấy nhìn thấy con chim.
she can see a bird.
A bird.
She can see
A
a
bird.
bird.
Okay, again, let's read this word. Let's say see.
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 Cố gắng see, see.
Yes, see.
See.
Okay, let's read it again. She
See.
She
can
see
see.
a bird.
Very good. Wow, very good, Ken. So for this one, we have here this question. So we use this question to ask what someone is doing. So again, we use this question to ask what someone is doing.
Chúng ta dùng câu hỏi này để hỏi xem ai đó đang làm gì.
And we use she. We use she for girls.
Chúng ta dùng từ she cho các bé gái.
Okay, again, so let's look at this. Yes, let's.
Nam là he, cho các bé nam là.
Okay, so we have here a girl. So we will use she. We have here a boy. We will use he for boys. Okay, again.
Chúng ta dùng she cho bé gái và he cho bé trai.
Okay, so since our first question is about what can she, so we are talking about girl. For the next question, what can he see? So we are talking about boy. Yes, very good. So that is how we answer he. So we will start with he can see
a
a
bird.
bird. Okay, very good. So that is how we answer this question. Like for example, what can she touch? What can she touch? So let's look at the girl. What can she touch? So she can touch a wall. Yes, this one is a wall. So she can touch a wall. So
Ở trên tường à?
yes. So the question is based on the senses or what they are doing. Yes. So what
can she touch?
Okay, let's say the sentence.
Cầm cái gì?
What can she
Cô đang hỏi con đặt câu hỏi. What
can
can
she
she touch?
touch?
What can she touch?
She
Mẹ ôm ba. Mẹ ôm ba.
Okay, she can touch a wall. Okay, so we base our answer to the sense that is being asked. Okay, okay. So we will have a more practice of this sentence structure in our next pages. But first, let's read some objects here that we have. So let's listen first.
She can see
A bird, a ball,
a bird.
a ball, a bird, a car, a dog,
A
a
dog,
doll,
a dog,
a flower,
a
a
flower,
kite,
a kite,
ice cream,
ice cream,
juice, pizza.
juice, pizza. Okay, so again, let's read the objects that we have here to again. Let's see first, a ball. Again,
Ball.
very good. Ball, again, ball.
Ball.
Very good. Next is a bird,
A bird.
a car,
A car.
a
A
dog,
dog.
a
A
doll,
dog.
a
A
flower,
flower.
a kite,
A kite.
ice cream,
Kite.
juice, pizza.
Pizza. Pizza.
Okay, again, let's say pizza.
Pizza.
Very good. Very good. Nice. So again, what is this can? What
A ball.
is a ball? What's this?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. How about this? What's this?
A dog.
What's this?
A flower.
How about this? What's
A
this?
car.
What's this?
Pizza.
Very good. How about this?
A kite.
A kite.
A dog.
Very good. So those are the things that we use in our sentence structure. So let's go first with our next activity. Our first activity. So wait. Okay, this one. Okay, so let's look. We have here two children. So what is this can? What is this? What is this? Is this a boy or a girl?
Cái gì đây? Đây là bé trai hay bé gái?
Boy. This is a boy.
This is a boy.
Very good. This is a boy. How about this? Boy or girl?
This is a girl.
Very good. Wow, so nice. So now, what do we use for boys? What do we use? He or she? What do we use? He or she for boys? We use he. So again, so we use he for boys and she for girls. So again, Ken, what do we use for boys? He or she? He or she?
Chúng ta dùng từ gì cho con trai? He hay she?
She.
Boy? Boy for boys? No. So we use she for girls. This one, girl. So we use he for boys.
He
Again.
or bird.
Again, for boys, he for boys.
He or bird.
Very good. For girls, what do we use? He or she?
She.
Perfect. Very good. So he and she. So now, let's take a look at number 1. So Kian, look at the picture. What is this?
Bird.
Very good. A bird. Again, a bird.
A bird.
Okay, how about this one? What
A
is a
car.
car? This one
A
is
flower.
a flower.
A
This one,
ice cream.
okay, an ice cream. Again,
Ice cream.
next is
A ball.
a ball. Very good. So now let's take a look. So we have here a line. So this one, a line. So it's in the ice. So what sense do we use for our eyes? What sense? It's see, hear, taste, touch, or smell. What sense? What sense do we use for our eyes?
Chúng ta sử dụng giác quan nào cho đôi mắt?
What's this?
See.
Very good. So see. So now we have a question here. What can he see?
Anh ấy có thể nhìn thấy gì?
What can he see? What can he see? He can see a bird. Again, Kian.
Anh ấy có thể nhìn thấy gì?
What can he see? He can see a bird. Okay, so this is how we use the sentence structure that we had learned. So again, the question is, what can he see? So our first object here is a bird. So therefore, we will answer he, because he is a boy. He can see a bird. Okay, that is for our first. And next, how about this one? What sense do we use to hear? Or what body part? What do we use to hear?
Chúng ta dùng gì để nghe?
What do we use to hear? What do we use to hear? Ear. So we use ears. So
Here.
now we have a question. What can he hear? Okay, let's read. What can he hear? So let's take a look. What is this, Kian? What's this? Is it a bike? No. What's this? It's a car.
What?
So therefore, he can
Get
hear
here
a car.
the car.
Okay, very good. So we base it on the body parts. So next, this one is, so our body part here is nose. What sense do we do when we,
Smell.
Smell? Very good.
What
Smell.
can he smell?
Very good.
He
What can he
can
He can?
smell a flower.
Wow, very good. So he can smell a flower. How about for this one? What sense do we use in our tongue? What sense? What sense is this? Sense of Taste. Okay, now, what what sentence can we create?
What can he taste? He can
Very
taste
good. He
ice cream.
Very good. He can taste an ice cream. Again, let's say taste. Taste.
Taste.
One more time. Taste. When you say it, you smile. Taste. Like that.
Taste.
Very good. Not tease. Taste.
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 Yes, very good. So, okay. So, I think, yeah, so it's the end of our time. So, it's already 9:40. So, we will continue this lesson in our next class, which is on Friday. So, make sure to review the senses that we have: see, hear, smell, taste, and touch. Okay? And also the sentence structure. Okay? Okay, so thank you very much for your time today, Ken. See you again next
Imadita.
Friday. Goodbye. See you. Thank you so much, Ken, for your time.
Imadita.
Get well soon. Goodbye.